Planning, Development and Reforms, Professor Excellency Nongrong, respected Chairman of the All Pakistan Chinese Enterprises Association, dignitaries, members of the Pakistani and Chinese business community, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Today marks a very special occasion whereby we all have gathered to hold the first steering committee meeting of Pakistan-China Business and Investment Forum, just a day before the visit of the Prime Minister of Pakistan to China. At the very outset, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister for his valuable time. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan and China are two nations, yet a shared destiny and an all-weather strategic partners. In the establishment of the Karakoram Highway in 1959 to the launching of CPAC in 2004, to the mutual endeavors in countering the COVID-19 pandemic and natural calamities like the recent floods, the fruits of this historically of the lives of the people. The increase in FDI from China explains the clear shift from geopolitics to geoeconomics. I hope that the esteemed participants may benefit from this era and make positive contributions to the economic integration of both countries. Ladies and gentlemen, it is pertinent to mention that BOI is leading the Phase 2 of CPAC Industrial Cooperation under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, which envisages the establishment of special economic zones and fostering the business-to-business collaborations between Pakistan and China. Keeping in view these responsibilities of national interest, the BOI signed the Framework Agreement on CPAC Industrial Cooperation with the National Development and Reforms Commission's Chairman, His Excellency Mr. Leifing. The Framework Agreement serves as a concrete understanding between both countries for ensuring the industrial relocation from China to Pakistan and promoting the special economic zones. This is a major milestone and reaffirms the commitments made under the CPAC long-term plan. The consensus has already been reached between both countries, as both the PCBIF and Framework Agreement have been praised by the Chinese President in the Pakistan further strengthening the Pakistan-China friendship. A world of opportunities has opened, setting the fundamentals of industrial and B2B cooperation. Pak-China, Dosti Zindabad. Thank you.